gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
Proud of himself.
Oh, it's a monkey o'clock.
All that to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
Okay, ow.
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
What? What is going on?
Macaroni turns one.
Pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want hat? Ping.
16. Is there anything we can...
Nothing satisfies a neat freak more than having someone who actually enjoys their grooming like this.
Okay, fine.
One time more again, people! Race for the ice limit!
Looks like someone is...
What are you doing?
These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
Good. Wait, are you guys?
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever. Their learning is truly amazing since it can produce cats' actions like this.
Alfie.
Good boy, Kenneth. Oh, hello. Good girl.
Theo.
What do you think you're doing?
Pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want a hat? Ping.
It's their instinct to never ignore food nearby, even when they're not actually hungry.
I'm just kidding. You could pet me. I'm sorry.
Good boy. Get him. Let's go. Thank you. Let's go. Thank
Is the cactus your best friend?
Oh. You're kidding. You're literally kidding me.
You guys are idiots.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
You're kidding.
Shalalabosha.
Oh, Gypsy.
You
having an XL bully.
In the couch. Bro, I could kill you. What are you doing?
Do you have my back? Come on. Let's go. I know, they're gonna fight us. Come on.
Kiddo's probably dreaming about being in a stiff formal suit.
Or a fox. Funky.
Sumou. O fim vai chegar até você.
Oh, she ain't moving.
Obi. Obi. Obi down. Obi. Hi. Hey. Oh, my baby.
Gonna hurt me.
Beefing with my chick will I...
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
Bro didn't lose the game. He.
Gary!
Can you read this?
Oh my!
Don't try it. No! Oh, Michael!
When you're too used to a nonchalant dude and that furball's a
Just happened.
Oh my god.
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so...
Hey. Say hi.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Sana para çekebilir miyim?
Bak kediye.
Para.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
A bath song.
Why? Why?
Girls really bright when drink from the faucet without getting wet.
Sorry, she just needed a little video took.
Looks like he's having a little Pilates session.
Can you read this? Oh my...
Oh, what? Seriously?
Coming alike.
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
I'm Brisket. Wait, no!
All we ask for their help is not to make household items
God damn it, it's a brand new truck.
Bro is too excited for food.
Something has chosen me. He has chosen me. Oh my.
You're caught red-handed using your superior balance for all the wrong reason, kiddo.
Happy one.
You're what?
Ryan.
Oh, good boy. You wanna miss chomping the people?
I can't touch. No touching.
Sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
I can't let you outside.
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Mr. Chief, face the camera. This is why you don't climb on the freaking counters. God.
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
No, I am not admitting to negligence when there was no negligence.
I don't really call you a non-party at fault. Jury payouts are always bigger.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Your hand now, it's the rule.
It's been an hour.
Yeah.
It's numb.
Presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
It's okay.
Bless you, 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 bless you.
I just met this cat, and this cat does not know what stranger danger is.
Uy.
Yeah, that's the stairs.
Not to let your cat pet you.
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Hand tremors, my thumbs would twitch, racing heart palpitations. Sounds like what? Anxiety, stress, right? I chalked everything up to stress, absolutely. Right. How many people in the audience?
Scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
This.
Oh, nie zobaczyłam. O, jak
Oj-jo!
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
Oh no! No!
Ollie, let me see.
Hi. Are we hungry?
Hey!
No, he's gonna make it. Oh.
You jumped over these double big.
You wanna say hi to him?
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
No snack.
Not mad. Snack.
I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay?
Not mad.
No mad.
I don't know.
You rang? Mmm.
She ain't moving.
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to
Get out. Please?
Go to your cage. Oh yeah, he doesn't understand. He can't speak, obviously. Go to your...
Go on, ma'am.
Oh, you were gonna fall. Ah!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready, go!
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
Make it happen.
Trust doesn't come easy for some dogs.
I don't like you. She don't like you. Oh, you were gonna fall. Ah!
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen. It's good.
Yeah!
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh? Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
Chunky.
I'm...
Pretty.
I'm gonna jump on the ground on the thing like this. All right.